All right, guys, so I want to quickly show you how we do our live. So I have to do it from my camera. You should see my computer. So I have my Zoom link tucked down here. I just have to click it. Now a window opens. When you want to go live on Zoom, with Zoom on Facebook, you do need the paid version. So you have the option to go live within Zoom. And the great thing is I can record it and share it wherever I want to. So here is my Zoom. I will start a new meeting. Now you will see my pretty face jumping in here. And I turn on my camera. Now you can see me. But now, right now, pay close attention to the bottom down here, where I now will record the meeting. I could record the meeting, what I'm always doing. But here I have it on my three dots. Here I have the option. And let me zoom in for you guys. You see, here I have the option live on Facebook, live on Workplace by Facebook, and live on YouTube. So I'm choosing the option live on Facebook. And now you see the window opened. I pull it on a little bit, and now I can choose where I want. I can share it on my timeline, but I also can share it on Facebook Friends Time, in a group. I can share it in an event, and also on pages I manage. So I always choose page you manage, and now all the pages I manage show up, and I choose the page I want to go live on. And I press next, and no worries, you are not going live yet. Now you see how Zoom connects to Facebook, and now it does the connection, and the Facebook Live back screen comes on here. So here is the screen. So I zoom out a little bit again. So here you see now that's almost like it is Facebook. Here I put my text in, Facebook Live for doing Thursday tip. And I put in the title, how to do Facebook Live. And I also take the same principles with when you do videos with YouTube, or if you are blogging. I always try to put the keywords in the title and in my text. And now you can tag this. So you have to look a little bit. It's sometimes, I don't know, they don't have the right tag. So that's I leave out for now. I could share it in a group I own, but here it's the interesting, I can go live at the same time in different groups, or in different groups, but also in different pages. So I go live on the Digital Adopters, and at Next Home Connect, I include them. And here now you could do interactive if you want to have poll question and want to ask question and want answer. That's where you can take that tool. But now I'm going back to post. You can include your mood, you can include the city where you are, and you also could include groups you want in within going live, and so people, when you click that, people will see your group, and now you can ask them to join your group. So it's right under your post, and you also can share in the groups you are owning. You type it in, and then you pull them in. I think up to 3 groups at one time you can share your video live. And now I would just press go live, and then I go into my Facebook group, and now we are going live. Soon as I press go live, that's where I start talking. You will see, let's go. People will be confused today. You see, now Facebook is already connecting you. And what I found out, people can hear me already. So I start immediately with what I want to say, so that it doesn't come up awkward. Then I go into the pages I am live in. And now I can double check if we are live. And you go into the page. And here you can double check if we are live or not. So people can hear me talking already, and again, they may be confused about it because I'm live again. But hey, this is the recording for the video I am doing, so I will share later today where I walk you through step by step how to do your Facebook Lives using Zoom. So now you see me lives. Usually then you see yourself as well. You still have the option for Zoom. Now when I'm live, I press recording, and now I record the whole meeting. So, and when the meeting is over, you just go end meeting, and everything it's done, everything it's gone. It converts into recording as you saw. And now it will record for us what we did. And that's voila, how you go live on Facebook. So you saw me a little bit. I have to record it through my camera because I couldn't go in directly. But that's how I go live every day, Monday to Friday. So if you want to join me, you are welcome. You will see me Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Look forward seeing you, and we all can learn together. Thanks for watching this video. Dankeschön and auf Wiedersehen.